They don't report the Spanish government. Because like, oh, so a tourist to Spain, we just want some money. Pero documentation in Spain, I don't live, no vivo in Spain, you know? Yeah. It's just kind of like, hey babe.
Hola.
Good out. So what's the situation right now, babe?
Shitty.
No, it's not shitty.
We don't have the engine anymore. It's gone.
We ran the engine for a little too long. I will explain this.
Whose fault is that?
No, it's nobody's fault. No, there's no problem. Pero we ran the engine, a very old engine, for a long time.
Yeah.
And there's no generator on this boat.
No.
So there's solar panels, pero solar panels only work when it's sunny. The first 3 days there was
Why
no
did
sun.
it stop?
Because the first 3 days there was
Why
no
did
sun.
it stop?
But no, let's keep going, baby. It takes pictures every 5 seconds.
I thought it's recording.
It's recording and taking pictures at the same time. It's cool.
But the screen is black.
Ah, because there's... Yeah.
But we have the steering wheel.
But we got the muy fuerte.
Steering wheel, that's all we need.
Y vento.
Even though we don't have any more beer.
Sí, claro. Cinco. We have 6 more beers. So, yeah, the engine. No más.
What is the captain?
Yeah, Capitán. Posible. Vamos a ver. Maybe. El velocidad es muy bien. Oh shit. And there's the engine.
Time to celebrate!
Todos cervezas. Hostia. Hostia. Hold it. Babe, give it to me, baby. Nice and hot.
Nice and slow.
Nice and slow. Alright, now it might be a little caliente when I sleep tonight. No, I switched it. I didn't eat that.